Alright guys, so welcome to another video, and today we are going to be doing another unboxing. I finally won my third giveaway win ever, and this was in the 500 sub giveaway for LakeHouseBeach, and I was the first picked winner from the random comment picker, which never happens. So I'm super happy that I finally won another giveaway, and thank you so much LakeHouseBeach, and congrats on 500 subscribers. You are such a really fast growing channel, and I really like your channel. So, as you can see, here's the package. I'm going to open it up on camera real quick, if I can. Alright, so let's see what's inside here. Alright, hold on, let me cut the camera real quick so I can get stuff out. Ooh, send me a letter too. Let's read that first. You always read the letters first. Ooh. Not doing very good here. Oh, here we go. Let me read the letter. It says, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Congratulations, thank you for the support. Happy holidays, LakeHouseBeach. You're welcome, LakeHouseBeach, and thanks for having an awesome channel. Alright, so let's see what's in here. So in here we have a 1931 wheat penny. And 1931 is a pretty good year for wheat pennies because that's when they only made about 19 million. So I think it's about a semi-key date. There you go. And here we go. Silver coin. This one's a 1967. 40% silver, half dollar. Very cool. Alright, let's see what else is in here real quick. Woo! Alright, here we go. We got two more packages. That did not go well. Let's just do this real quick. Snip it out real quick. Oh, I hear something big in here. Whoa, that is big copper coin. That is a very pretty copper coin. It is a $1 banknote, copper round. Very cool. Got that nice cameo on it too. Very pretty cool. Very pretty round. Thank you so much for that, LakeHouseBeach. And second package is sporns. Oh wait, no, one more thing in here. I can get it out. Ooh, here we go. This is a 1957 Young Head Canadian. It's not in dyed condition too. That's pretty nice. And then here's the rest of the foreign coins. Ooh, look at this tiny little coin. 50-cent coin from Brazil. Oh wait, never mind. 50-cent coin from Mexico. And this one is from the Czech Republic. Don't even have one from there yet. This one's a 1 peso Mexican coin. And this one is a 25-cent Netherlands coin. So, that's it's a really cool package you sent me, LakeHouseBeach, and quick shout out to LakeHouseBeach. Make sure you guys go sub to his channel because he has an awesome channel. Does lots of coin roll hunts, unboxings, and just has lots of cool coins in his channel. So if you guys are into coin collecting, definitely make sure to go check out his channel. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video. And if you guys have any questions or comments, you can comment down below. And as you can see, we got the Christmas tree up. And that reminds me, Merry Christmas to all of you guys. I hope you guys have a good holidays. And some of you guys who are in high school or college, good luck on your midterms. I'm doing midterms too, so yeah, we're both stuck in the midterm schedule in high school. So yeah, hope you guys liked the video, and I'll respond to every single thing that's in the comment section. So feel free to do that, and I'll see you guys in the next video. It's like Liam over here found a wheat penny. It's actually not in bad condition.
I want to see its ear.
Okay, I'll try to show it to you while it's on camera. You can see it's got like a slight luster to it. It's probably 1958. Yep, 1958. It's exactly what I thought it was going to be. But that is our 4th wheat penny on the box. And if you count the under, it is a 5th wheat penny on the box. Sorry about that. And we also got a bunch of uncirculated coins that I got to show you guys too. And we got foreigns and 2009 as well. So it's turning out to be not a bad box so far. So let's see if we can find anything else. And I'll get back to you guys once I do that.